What if I told you there are secret travel hacks used by world explorers and flight insiders that can save you hundreds of dollars, hours of waiting, and even rescue you from airport disasters, and yet no one really talks about them? Let's be honest, most of the so-called travel hacks online are the same recycled tricks you've heard 1,000 times. Roll your clothes, bring a power bank, check in early. But this is different. Imagine walking into an airport where every move you make, every seat you choose, every tap on your phone is strategically planned to give you an edge that ordinary travelers don't even know exists. For example, did you know that certain airlines secretly release cheaper flight tickets only when their algorithm detects you're losing interest? Here's the crazy part. If you open the airline's website, browse a few destinations, then close it without booking, and wait exactly 47 hours, you might trigger a re-engagement discount. It's like the system trying to seduce you back. Creepy, but effective. Another hack few know. Some hotels actually use shadow pricing, meaning the cost drops when a local holiday ends in that region. If you shift your stay by even one day, just one, you can sometimes save up to 60%. It's not luck, it's pattern psychology used against their own pricing software. And speaking of psychology, have you noticed why airports always have soft yellow lights near the gates? It's not about aesthetics, it's to make you feel more tired, more willing to spend money on snacks or seat upgrades. So next time, grab a cold drink, sit near natural light, and watch how clear-headed you suddenly feel before boarding. But here's something even wilder. There's a secret code airline staff use to identify potential complainers. If your name is marked with SS on your boarding pass, it means secondary security screening selection. You're being flagged for extra checks, often triggered by random algorithms or sometimes by behavior during booking. And if you're thinking of getting out of it, here's a subtle trick. Next time you check in, ask the staff politely if your ticket is fully verified. They'll often reprint a new one without the code, assuming a system error. That one question can save you from long, suspicious stares at security. Now let's talk luggage. Everyone fears losing their bag, but few realize how fragile that system really is. What baggage handlers don't tell you is that bags with detachable name tags are 40% more likely to get lost. Why? This is due to the fact that when detachable name tags fall off, scanners are unable to quickly match the routing code. So, take a photo of your bag's barcode at check-in. If it disappears, you can show that photo at the service desk, and they'll track it instantly. Insiders call it digital tagging, a low-key lifesaver. Now here's one of the weirdest but most effective travel hacks out there. If you're on a long-haul flight, order a vegetarian or kosher meal, even if you're not one. Why? These special meals are loaded first and served first. That means you eat earlier, and by the time everyone else is waiting for food, you're already sleeping or relaxing. Veteran travelers use this trick to beat jet lag, because eating earlier resets your body clock faster than melatonin pills ever could. And speaking of jet lag, here's something you've never heard on YouTube. NASA once shared that the human brain resets faster if you stare at morning sunlight without sunglasses for 5 minutes after landing. Try it. You'll feel it. Another trick the travel pros keep quiet. Every major airline has ghost flights listed for testing routes. These flights often appear online for a few hours before disappearing. And if you manage to catch one, you can book it at a fraction of the cost. It's like glitching the system. To spot them, refresh your flight search at odd hours, 2:37 a.m. Local time seems to be the sweet spot for most carriers' system resets. Now let's go deeper. Airport lounges. You don't need a business class ticket to get in. There's a hidden app, no, not Lounge Buddy, it's too known, that uses leftover corporate passes from companies that didn't use them. They sell them quietly for under $10, and once you're inside, you can eat, shower, and even nap like royalty. Most travelers walk right past, unaware. And finally, here's the kind of hack that feels almost unreal. If your flight gets cancelled, don't rush to the airline desk. Instead, call their international customer service number, like their Singapore or Ireland branch. Those agents aren't overloaded like local ones, and they can rebook you faster, often with better seat upgrades because their system syncs globally. It's not cheating, it's just knowing how the game works. So next time you travel, remember, every airport, every airline, every hotel is built on systems designed to make you spend more and wait longer. But once you know how to read between the lines, you stop being just another traveler. You become invisible to the system, unpredictable, untouchable, unstoppable. That's the golden age of smart travel, and it starts right now with you.